Everybody knows Segway makes e-scooters, but it looks like they're also making e-bikes. And to help explain it, I have Nick from Segway. I don't even know what to call it. Is it like a dirt bike? Is it what exactly is it? First of all, it's the Xyber. It's called the Xyber.
This is called the Xyber. The Xyber is what we would call it in-house a light electric vehicle. The Xyber it blurs lines. It sits outside of categories, right? You want to have a bicycle, but you also want to have a moped. You want to have a product that has unbelievable power, unbelievable torque, 112 miles of range.
Yes.
That's what this product is. So it really sits in between. And what that means for this product is that it's not designated specifically as a bicycle, right?
It's like a hybrid.
It's like a hybrid. Max speed is 35 miles per hour on this bike.
Wow.
You have 175 newton meters of torque. So that means that this bike accelerates from 0 to 20 in 2.7 seconds. It is truly a joy to ride. Technically, it's what we would call an off-road vehicle. It's not classified or certified for on-road use. We do this late spring, early summer. We will have a Class 2 version of Xyber coming out. But we really felt that the user that wanted this bike, who has thousands and thousands of miles of gravel roads and undesignated bike paths in the country, they want to go fast. That's what this bike is about. It's a pure
Well, everybody's always dreaming about it. It's like, if I could just make this faster. And so finally you have, and like you said, this is not for on the road. This is for like the trails and whatnot.
Exactly, yeah.
And the pedal, I see it has pedal. Can you actually pedal with it?
You actually can.
Really?
This bike actually can be set to be pedal only if you wanted to pedal it only.
And then of course it's got pedal assist.
And of course it has pedal assist.
Or
But the reality is it has a full motorcycle style throttle, and if you want to have that experience, full gas all the time. Yeah.
So this is a brand new product from Segway, right?
Brand new, just came out. We've been, both of these bikes, the concepts started 8 years ago. And we really thought we wanted to develop something great. We want to develop something new. We want to develop something that doesn't exist. So we really were pushing the boundaries, and we're finally ready.
That's totally on brand for you guys, And okay, let's talk price points. What's this gonna run?
The Safari, which has an 88-mile range, actually, this bicycle is $23.99.
Okay.
And the Xyber, with all of that power and goodness, is $29.99.
$29.99. It's got all the bells and whistles. Oh man, this is like my brother's dream, because he's always into mountain biking, and just like you said, it's a hybrid of a mountain bike, a motorbike. It's whatever you want it to be.
It's whatever you want it to be.
Nick, thanks so much. If people want to get more information about the Xyber, and this is called the
Safari.
The Safari. If they want to get more information, go to your website.
We encourage you to go to our website and find a dealer, and you can maybe test ride some bikes as well.
And of course, go to Handy Andy's YouTube channel, because you're going to find reviews. Yours truly taking these up for a test drive to help you find out which one is best for you. Nick, thanks so much.
Thank you.
My man, I'm excited about this. I love it. All right.